Gmail has grammar and spelling suggestions turned on by default. That means if I were to go around and click on Compose right here, let me just go to full screen right here and type in something. Let's say, for example, these are the tree right here. So this is grammatically incorrect. We can see that a blue underline shows up, denoting that it is an incorrect grammar format. If I were to go around and type in, this is a pineapple right here. So let me just throw in another P right there. You can see that it actually autocorrects right here. So that is a feature that we're going to talk about in further videos as well. Let me just go around and type in 3 P's right now. And it shows it as the red underline, denoting that it is a wrong spelling. So if I want to correct them out, I can just go around and click, and you can see a suggestion right here. So it says that instead of tree, this should be trees. So if I were to click on it, then the grammar has been corrected. And same goes with the spelling. You can see the suggestion right here, and I can simply go around and correct it out. But sometimes you may not want the spelling or grammar suggestions to appear, and you just want to type in, and you don't want any suggestions or red underlines bothering you. So in that case, you can go around under the settings right here and click on see all settings. And once you go around over there, you can turn off the grammar suggestion and spelling. So depending on what you want to turn off, grammar and spelling can be turned on and off in different times. So if I were to go around and click on save right here and click on compose, then you can see that I can go around over here, and you can still see this out right here. But if I were to click, it does not actually show up any suggestions as we saw before. So if I were to go around and say this is trees right here, trees just like this, then you see that it does not actually show it as a grammar error. And pineapple right here, just like this, pineapple right here, just like this, it does show it as a wrong spelling, but it does not actually go around and then show any suggestions when I directly click on them. If I were to right click, it does show the default like say suggestions built in Google Chrome right here, built in the browser, but it does not show the one in Gmail. So that is how it works. And if you want to turn it back on, then you can simply go around into see all settings, and then go around and turn on grammar suggestion on and spelling suggestion on right here. Click on save changes, and once you do that, you can go around. Let me just close the draft, go back to draft right here, go back right here. Now you can see the suggestions once more, and that is how you can go around and work around with the grammar and spelling suggestions inside of Gmail. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe